If you're new to Python, here's a simple optimization trick that can speed up your loops. For example, up here, I have a global variable with an integer value of 10, and then down here, I have a function called calculate that performs a simple calculation using this global variable. But here's the problem. Each time the function runs, Python first checks for the variable inside the function. Since it doesn't find it there, it goes outside the function and accesses the global variable. This lookup process takes extra time and can slow down your code. To make this more efficient, we can assign the global variable to a local variable before using it inside the loop. This way, each iteration directly accesses the local variable instead of searching for it in the global scope. I tested this multiple times running both approaches, and the results showed that using a local variable improved performance by around 5 to 6% on average. While this might seem like a small gain, tiny optimizations like this can add up, especially in performance of critical applications.